Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Canva login issues step by step. If you're having trouble signing into your Canva account, these solutions may help. Let's get started. First, open the Canva login page and choose your preferred sign-in method. Make sure you're using the correct email address or the correct Google account when signing in. If the login doesn't work, refresh your browser and try again. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser. You can also try signing in using a different browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Make sure your internet connection is stable before trying to log in again. If you're already signed in on another device or browser, sign out and then sign in again. Finally, log in to your Canva account and check if the issue has been resolved. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to fix Canva login issues in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.